What's up, YouTube? In this video, we'll check out 10 awesome gadgets that defy the laws of gravity by using magnetic levitation. All of the items on today's list are available on Amazon, and I've left links to everything in the description below, so let's go ahead and get started. Starting off at number 10 on today's list is this levitating bonsai flower pot. This little gadget makes a perfect gift for anyone who loves plants and unique decorations. It's capable of supporting small plants like bonsai trees, flowers, succulents, or anything else with a weight capacity of up to 300 grams in midair. You can choose to have your plant hover motionless, or with the push of a button you can change it to rotating mode, which adds another layer of relaxation to the experience. It's available in dark wood or light wood colors. It operates completely silently, and it's a product that people of all ages can enjoy, making it a perfect addition to today's list. Moving on to number 9 is this awesome magnetic levitation moon lamp. This floating lamp slowly spins at a consistent speed, completely silently. It comes with a luxury wooden base, and its built-in light features 3 different colors, which cast a relaxing ambient glow throughout the room, making it a perfect nightlight for kids and adults. The moon is manufactured by using the most advanced 3D printing technology in the industry, which creates a texture that's very similar to the real moon. This little gadget makes a perfect gift for anyone who loves space and science, and there's even multiple designs to choose from, so you can easily find the best one for your needs. Coming in at number 8 on today's list is the floating Arcstar Bluetooth speaker. This portable speaker is a one-of-a-kind product that fuses design with technology, bringing you the best of both worlds. It levitates effortlessly above its magnetic base, features a galactic theme, and amazing sound quality. This portable speaker can be used with or without its base, and its battery can last up to 8 hours on a full charge. It emits a cool green light for a unique visual aesthetic, and even features a built-in USB hub that doubles as a phone charger. The Arcstar stands out from the crowd of regular Bluetooth speakers, making it a unique gift that inspires awe and appreciation. Next up at number 7 on today's list is the Kidslabs Antigravity Magnetic Levitation Science Kit. This kit teaches kids about the invisible power of magnetism through several fun, hands-on experiments, which include floating a pencil, levitating a screw, building a maglev, and more. This kit contains all of the necessary materials for performing 7 fun scientific experiments, as well as detailed instructions to walk you through each project step by step. It's recommended for ages 8 and up, and is a great way to challenge your child's imagination and creativity. Number 6 on our list is the Magnetic UFO Levitating Bluetooth Speaker. This awesome speaker features an incredibly unique design that makes a great gift for anyone who loves space and aliens. Its built-in audio drivers offer full high-quality stereo sound. This speaker uses wireless charging technology, so it can be charged even while levitating, which means it can hover forever as long as the base remains plugged in. It also features a brilliant LED light that allows you to choose the best color for your mood or environment with the push of a button. I personally find aliens and UFOs incredibly interesting, so this is definitely one of my favorite additions to today's list. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Magnetic Levitation Floating World Map. This high-tech map hovers effortlessly in mid-air. Simply give it a gentle spin to imitate the natural rotation of the Earth. It comes with 3 built-in LED light color options, red, blue, or green, which all look amazing in the dark. This accurate globe is a perfect decoration for any home or office and makes a great gift for people of all ages. Next up on our list, at number 4, is the Sunnytech Magnetic Levitation Solar Motor. This ingenious education model combines magnetic and solar technology to create a truly unique product. The motor consists of a spinning shaft that is held up by repelling magnets, stabilized by a resting point against a wall. It's powered by solar panels mounted on the spinning shaft, which generate currents through coils of insulated wire and rotation. The motor can rotate under a weak light source, and the rotor will speed up under a stronger light source. The built-in solar panels convert sunlight to power and drive the model to run continuously, making this another great addition to today's list of incredible floating gadgets. Number 3 on today's list is a next-level piece of sports memorabilia and a great gift for football fans, the Magnetic Levitation Hover Helmet. This awesome floating helmet is one of the newest and most unique ways to display your team pride. Electromagnetic forces allow the helmet to levitate and spin in mid-air continuously, no strings attached. The company works with every team in the NFL to make sure the helmet artwork is up to date and that your favorite team is covered, whether it's the Dallas Cowboys, the Green Bay Packers, the New England Patriots, or any other major team. LED lighting located in the base of the stand illuminates the helmet, and once plugged in, your helmet will hover and rotate indefinitely. They even have a floating deer skull replica with massive horns and drop tines for the deer hunter in your life. Moving on to number 2 on today's list is the Magnetic Levitation Display Disc. The best thing about this high-tech gadget is it allows you to display any small object you choose, like jewelry, watches, trophies, plants, or anything else you can think of that weighs 350 grams or less. Its sleek and minimalistic design looks great in any room, and like all the other gadgets on today's list, it operates completely silently and is a great gift that people of all ages will enjoy for years to come. And finally, coming in at number 1 on today's list is this awesome Magnetic Levitation floating light bulb. Simply plug it in, carefully line up the magnetic fields, and watch as it magically floats in mid-air and then lights up with the use of wireless induction technology. This lamp is one of the most unique products I've tested and one of my favorite gadgets to display so far. Its energy-efficient LED bulb is rated for 50,000 hours of use, which is the equivalent of 12 hours a day for 11 years. It looks great in any room and even comes in multiple designs so you can choose the right one for your home or office. I've left links to this product as well as everything else on today's list in the description below for those of you who want to check out all the specs and reviews or to buy now on Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, then be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're notified when our next video goes live. Also, leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite magnetic levitation gadget is, and maybe it'll be featured in one of our next videos. Until then, my friends, take it easy.